What's up, everyone? It's Invest Meets Travel, stuck in the daily grind, wishing you could just book a one-way ticket and explore the world. But then, reality sets in. Bills, rent, student loan debt, and suddenly, that dream trip feels a million miles away. Well, guess what? It doesn't have to be that way. What if I told you that you could actually make your money work you, even while you're busy hopping from one country to the next? No more stressing about living paycheck to paycheck. Instead, picture this. You're sipping on a cappuccino in a charming Parisian cafe, laptop open, and you get a notification. Your investments just made you another $1,000 passively. That's the power of smart investing. And in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 strategies that are tailor-made for all you travel enthusiasts out there. We're talking about building real wealth, generating passive income streams, and achieving true financial freedom, all while you're out there exploring the globe. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to learn how to make your travel dreams a reality. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic investment strategy that's perfect for travelers' dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are like the reliable travel companions of the investment world. They come from well-established companies. Think big names like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, those kinds of companies that have been around for decades and have a proven track record of profitability. And the best part is, when you own these stocks, you're entitled to a share of their profits, paid out to you in the form of dividends. Now, imagine this. You're relaxing on a white sand beach in Bali, the sun is setting, you're sipping on a fresh coconut, and you get a notification on your phone. It's your brokerage account, letting you know that your quarterly dividend payment from Coca-Cola just hit. You see that extra cash flowing in, all while you're living your best life abroad. That's the beauty of dividend investing. It's all about generating passive income, which means you're earning money without actively working for it. You buy the stocks, hold them for the long term, and let those dividends roll in like clockwork. And the best part is, you can reinvest those dividends back into buying even more shares, which creates this snowball effect called compound growth. Think of it like this. You put a small snowball at the top of a hill, and as it rolls down, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger. That's what compound growth does for your investments. Over time, those seemingly small dividend payments can add up to significant wealth, all while you're busy exploring new cultures and crossing destinations off your bucket list. Now, I know picking individual stocks can seem daunting, especially for beginners, but don't worry, there's an easier way. You can invest in ETFs or exchange-traded funds that focus specifically on dividend-paying companies. Okay, let's talk real estate. Now, I know what you're thinking, Graham. I love the idea of owning property, but I'm a digital nomad. I'm never in one place long enough to be a landlord. And you know what? You're absolutely right. Traditional real estate investing, with all the headaches of dealing with tenants, repairs, and property management, is definitely not ideal for someone who's constantly on the go. But here's the game-changer real estate crowdfunding. This is where technology meets real estate, and it's a total game-changer for travelers who want to diversify their portfolios and tap into the lucrative world of property investing, all without the hassle of traditional ownership. Imagine this. You're exploring the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu in Peru, and you get a notification on your phone. It's from Fundrise, one of the leading real estate crowdfunding platforms, and it says that the apartment complex you invested in back in Austin, Texas, just distributed its monthly rental income. You see that passive income hit your account, and you realize that even though you're thousands of miles away, your money is hard at work, generating solid returns from the comfort of your phone. That's the power of real estate crowdfunding. It allows you to invest in properties all over the world, from apartment buildings in bustling cities to commercial real estate in up-and-coming neighborhoods, all with just a few clicks on your phone or laptop. You get to be a part of the real estate game, but without the stress of being a landlord. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and CrowdStreet have made it incredibly easy to get started with real estate crowdfunding. You create an account, browse through a curated selection of investment opportunities, choose the properties that align with your financial goals, and boom, you're a real estate investor. The best part is, you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. Many platforms allow you to invest with as little as a few $100s, making real estate investing accessible to everyone, regardless of your budget or experience level. So, whether you're a seasoned investor looking to diversify your portfolio, or a travel enthusiast who wants to dip your toes into the real estate market, real estate crowdfunding is a fantastic option to consider. Alright, let's talk diversification. Now, I know a lot of you are probably invested in the US stock market, and that's great. But here's the thing. If you're a global traveler, relying solely on US stocks is like only packing one pair of shoes for a trip around the world. Sure, it might work for a little while, but eventually you're going to run into some problems. Think about it. When you travel, you're exposed to different currencies, different economies, different markets. And just like you wouldn't want to put all your money into one currency when you travel abroad, you don't want to put all your investment eggs in one basket, especially the US basket. That's where international ETFs and stocks come in. These bad boys allow you to spread your investments across different countries and regions, giving you exposure to a wider range of companies and industries. It's like having a diversified travel itinerary for your money, ensuring that no matter what's happening in one particular market, your portfolio is well positioned to weather the storm. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, international investing sounds complicated, where do I even begin? But trust me, it's easier than you think. Just like with dividend stocks, you can start with ETFs that focus on specific regions or countries. Want to tap into the growth potential of emerging markets? Check out VWO, the Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets ETF. Interested in investing in established European companies? VGK, the Vanguard FTSE Europe ETF has got you covered. And if you want to ride the wave of the booming Asian economies, 8AXJ, the iShares MSCI All Country Asia ex-Japan ETF is a solid choice. These ETFs make it super simple to diversify your portfolio internationally, giving you exposure to hundreds of companies with just one investment. It's like having a personal travel agent for your money, curating a diversified portfolio that aligns with your global outlook. So, whether you're a seasoned investor looking to diversify your portfolio, or a travel enthusiast who wants to align your investments with your global lifestyle, international ETFs and stocks are a must-have in your investment toolkit. Alright, let's talk crypto. Now I know crypto gets a lot of hype and it can seem a little intimidating, especially for those who are new to the investing world. But here's the thing. Crypto isn't just about buying and selling volatile digital assets, it's also about exploring innovative ways to generate passive income. And that's something that should excite any travel enthusiast who's looking to make their money work harder. Imagine this. You're trekking through the Himalayas, surrounded by breathtaking mountain views, and you check your phone. You see that your crypto staking rewards just hit your wallet. You're earning passive income simply by holding on to your crypto assets, and that income is helping to fund your incredible journey. That's the power of crypto staking. It's like earning interest on your savings account, but instead of a traditional bank, you're participating in a decentralized network, and potentially earning much higher returns. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, crypto is risky, I don't want to lose all my money. And you're right, crypto is inherently volatile, and all investments come with some level of risk. But here's the thing, with great risk can come great reward, and if you're smart about it, crypto staking can be a powerful tool in your investment arsenal. So, how does crypto staking work? It's actually pretty simple. When you stake your crypto, you're essentially locking it up for a set period of time. And in return, you earn rewards for helping to secure the network. Think of it like being a silent partner in a business. You're contributing to its success, and in return, you're receiving a share of the profits. Now, not all cryptocurrencies offer staking rewards, but some of the most popular ones do, including Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana. These are all established cryptocurrencies with strong communities and active development teams, which makes them a good starting point for anyone interested in exploring crypto staking. So, whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a curious traveler who's looking to explore the potential of this emerging asset class, crypto staking offers exciting possibilities for generating passive income and growing your wealth. Just remember, do your research, start small, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Alright, let's talk about the ultimate dream for any travel enthusiast, getting paid to travel. Now I know what you're thinking, Graham, that sounds too good to be true. How can I possibly make money while I'm busy exploring the world? Well, my friends, the answer is simpler than you might think. Remote business and content creation. In today's digital age, the traditional 9-to-5 office job is becoming increasingly obsolete. With a laptop and a decent internet connection, you can literally work from anywhere in the world, and that opens up a world of possibilities for those who crave adventure and financial freedom. Imagine this. You're sitting in a cozy cafe in Chiang Mai, Thailand, surrounded by lush greenery and the sounds of nature. You open your laptop, check your email, and see that you've made several sales from your online business while you were sleeping. You're generating passive income, all while sipping on delicious Thai iced tea and soaking up the vibrant culture around you. That's the power of building a remote business or becoming a content creator. You're no longer trading time for money. Instead, you're creating assets that can generate income for you 24/7, no matter where you are in the world. Now I know what you're thinking, Graham, I don't have any business experience. How can I possibly start a remote business? But here's the thing. You don't need to be a business whiz to succeed in the online world. All you need is a passion, a willingness to learn, and the hustle to make it happen. One of the easiest ways to get started with a remote business is through affiliate marketing. This involves partnering with other businesses and promoting their products or services on your website or social media channels. You earn a commission for every sale that you generate through your unique affiliate link, and the best part is, you don't have to deal with any of the logistics of creating or shipping products. Another great option is freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect freelancers with clients from all over the world, offering a wide range of services, from writing and editing to web development and graphic design. If you have a skill that you can offer remotely, freelancing can be a fantastic way to earn income while you travel. And of course, we can't forget about content creation. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. These platforms have created countless opportunities for people to turn their passions into profitable businesses. Whether you're a travel blogger, a photographer, a foodie, or anything in between, if you can create engaging content that resonates with an audience, you can build a loyal following and monetize your passion. There you have it, folks. Those are the top 5 investment strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom and travel the world, all while your money works hard for you. Remember, investing isn't just for the wealthy or the Wall Street gurus, it's for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future and design a life filled with purpose and adventure. So, which strategy resonated with you the most? Are you excited about the passive income potential of dividend stocks, the global reach of real estate crowdfunding, or the flexibility of building a remote business? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Invest Meets Travel for more tips and tricks on how to master your finances, travel the world, and live your best life. Until next time, keep exploring, keep investing, and keep chasing those dreams.